Welcome to our exploration of why Bongo Cat Keyboard might not be detecting your inputs. Bongo Cat Keyboard might not detect your inputs due to several common issues related to web technologies. This includes browser permissions, potentially blocking keyboard access, other browser extensions interfering with event handling, hardware or driver problems with your keyboard, or even cross-platform differences, especially on mobile devices. We'll explore each of these to help you diagnose and fix the problem. Browser permissions and settings play a crucial role in ensuring that web apps like Bongo Cat Keyboard can properly detect your keyboard inputs. First, ensure your browser isn't blocking keyboard input. While Bongo Cat doesn't use your microphone, restrictive browser settings or running in incognito mode can prevent the app from receiving keyboard events. In Google Chrome, access the Settings menu and navigate to the Privacy section. Click on Content Settings to verify that JavaScript is enabled and that no restrictions are blocking keyboard inputs. In Firefox, open the Settings menu and check the Add-ons and Themes section. Temporarily disable any browser extensions that might be intercepting keyboard events, as these can often cause input detection issues. On mobile Safari, go to Settings and ensure JavaScript is enabled in the Privacy and Security section. Also, check that Advanced Tracking Protection isn't blocking necessary web features. Check your browser settings to confirm JavaScript is enabled and temporarily disable extensions that might interfere. Refresh the page after making changes to see if it resolves the issue. Event propagation conflicts occur when other software intercepts keyboard events before they reach Bongo Cat Keyboard. Browser extensions, overlays, or OS-level software like screen readers or macro tools can intercept key events before they reach Bongo Cat Keyboard. Common examples include browser extensions, screen readers, and macro tools that can block the keyboard inputs. To resolve this, disable the potentially conflicting software one by one. After each disable, refresh the page and test if Bongo Cat now detects your inputs. This is a common issue, and systematically isolating the conflicting software is the key to resolving it. Hardware and driver issues can prevent Bongo Cat Keyboard from detecting your inputs. Faulty keyboard hardware can cause input detection failures. First, ensure your keyboard is properly connected and functioning in other applications. Next, update your keyboard drivers to the latest version. This often resolves compatibility issues. Conflicts with other input devices can also cause problems. If you have game controllers or other peripherals connected, try disconnecting them temporarily to rule out any conflicts. Use a systematic troubleshooting approach, like this flowchart, to identify and resolve hardware issues step by step. Bongo Cat Keyboard can be less reliable on mobile devices due to differences in how touch events are handled compared to desktop keyboard inputs. On mobile devices, the app relies on touch events rather than physical keyboard presses, which can lead to detection issues if the touch isn't registered properly. Recent updates in 2025 have improved mobile support by adding better touch event listeners, such as OnTouch Start, to handle virtual keyboards on tablets and smartphones. To ensure inputs are detected, make sure you're tapping directly on the designated screen area for keyboard input, avoiding any menus or inactive regions. Some older mobile browsers lack full support for the JavaScript APIs needed for touch events and virtual keyboards, causing input detection failures. Consider updating to a modern browser like the latest Chrome or Safari for better compatibility with the app's touch handling features. Since Bongo Cat is a client-side application, clearing your browser's cache can often resolve issues caused by corrupted or outdated files. Client-side applications like Bongo Cat store temporary data in your browser's cache. Over time, this cache data can become corrupted or outdated, preventing proper input detection. Clearing your browser cache removes these old files and allows the app to load fresh data. Additionally, trying a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge can help determine if the problem is specific to your current browser configuration. Different browsers handle JavaScript and events differently, so switching might resolve input detection issues. This is a simple yet effective troubleshooting step that often resolves input detection problems without needing technical expertise. A YouTube creator named Cat Keyboard Fan faced input failures on high refresh rate monitors. The issue stemmed from event throttling in the browser's rendering loop. High refresh rates like 144 Hz can cause skipped key presses during rapid typing. Switching to a lower refresh rate or using Firefox's developer tools resolved the problem. If you're using a high refresh rate monitor, try lowering it temporarily to see if it fixes the issue. The Bongo Cat keyboard community offers valuable resources for troubleshooting input detection issues. The Bongo Cat keyboard GitHub repository is a valuable resource for troubleshooting. User pull requests have significantly reduced reported issues. Looking ahead, expect AI-assisted debugging tools to help diagnose input problems automatically. Broader web development trends emphasize privacy-preserving APIs, which could eliminate permission-related detection failures. Keep your browser updated for the best experience.